They come from Europe with rifles in hand, under the guise of tourism. For over a year, the new Arab investigative unit has followed their tracks across Egypt, uncovering a poaching network. Rare, protected, endangered, nothing is off limits as they leave destruction in their way. Despite the EU efforts to protect wildlife, illegal hunting continues, costing European taxpayers millions of euros. Who's behind this? How deep does it go? The truth is out there, and we are about to expose it in a 15-month-long investigation. Sign up for our free newsletter to get notified when the investigation is published.